In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HST to QuickBooks Invoices. Whether you're a small business owner or a seasoned accountant, managing taxes in QuickBooks can be a breeze once you understand the steps. By the end, you'll have confidently set up HST for your business transactions. So let's dive in. First things first, you're going to want to open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. You can usually find it with a simple Google search or by entering the URL directly if you have it handy. Once you're on the main page, look for the Sign In button, which is typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Now enter your login details. Remember, keeping your login information secure is important, so ensure that your username and password are both safe and not shared outside your trusted network. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the QuickBooks dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the left menu and click on the Taxes tab. This is your central hub for managing all tax-related settings within QuickBooks. Once you're inside the Taxes section, you'll see an option to add tax. Clicking this will allow you to customize your tax settings. Next, choose Custom Tax to input the specific information needed for HST. At this point, you should click on the tax name field and enter HST tax. This identifier is crucial for tracking your invoices and ensuring accuracy, so double-check your input before moving on. In the description field, it's essential to be clear and precise. Fill in the details as accurately as possible to help differentiate it from other tax codes and make reviews seamless in the future. After this, you'll need to set the start of current tax period. Click this option and then select your applicable date from the calendar. This date is critical as it marks when your HST tracking starts. Next, navigate to the Filing Frequency option. Choose the settings that match how often you file your HST. This could be monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on your business requirements. Once your settings are in place, decide on a method that fits your business needs. This will affect how the system accounts for and reports the HST, so select carefully. To ensure everything is configured right, make sure to verify that this tax will be collected on sales. This is a crucial checkbox that ensures all applicable sales are accurately tracked with HST. Then enter the percentage number for your HST. Typically, this would align with your region's specific rate, so be sure to use the correct percentage. Lastly, click Save. This finalizes your settings and allows QuickBooks to factor in HST on applicable future invoices automatically. By following these steps, you've successfully added HST to your QuickBooks Invoices, making your accounting not just accurate but also efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.